What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of a grizzly bear. For today's lesson we'll need some plain white paper and a pencil. I'll start today's sketch off with this 0.7mm mechanical pencil with a 2B graphite stick. Let's begin by breaking down the basic shape of the head with some guidelines. So I'm going to sketch a line coming down the center. Let's start at the very top in the middle. Just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom using these short lines. Let's move back to the center of our page and draw another line going across from left to right. Now for the grizzly's head, we want to draw a large circle. So we can use these two lines to help us create that circle. From the center, let's move up towards the top. Mark off the top of our circle right about here. Now I'm going to measure this distance from the center point down towards the bottom. Mark that off. And then we'll do the same thing across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center over towards the left, and then over towards the right. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. So let's start with the top left. Now the circle doesn't have to be perfect, we're just using this as a guide. Let's go back and just modify this and smooth this out. Now that we have our large circle, we want to modify the shape and add some more details. Let's start by adding a gap in between the eyes. So from the center line, let's move over towards the left. Right about here, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to measure this distance over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's go back over towards the bottom of the line on the left. We're just going to curve the muzzle coming down and then bend that up like a half circle. And then over the side of our circle, draw a straight angle line coming down and in. And then right in the center, we're going to draw a rectangle for the nose. Start with a straight line going across, just up above the bottom of our circle. Come down the sides, and then flatten off the bottom. Let's go all the way back up to the top. We're going to draw two small circles for the eyes. Now from the outside of the eyes, we want to lightly sketch a line going up towards the top of our circle. And this will be towards the base of the ears. And then from the top, it's going to bend this down and then out towards the side. Let's go back up to the top. I'm going to curve the outside of the ear, going out and then back in, like a half circle. Let's add a little bit of shape to the shoulders and the neck area. So we're going to start underneath the ear. Start by coming down and out. I'm just going to build out the body, going out and then down towards the bottom. Let's add that dip in the center of the head, going up, and then bend that down in the middle, go up and out towards the right. Now with a rough sketch in place, we want to clean up our drawing by erasing some of these guidelines. Now once we're happy with the rough sketch, we want to go in with our 0.9mm pencil and start adding some details and contrast. Now I'd like to start with the eyes. We're just going to modify the shapes, starting from the inside. Just going to work our way around the top, and then down towards the side. We're just going to bounce back and forth from left to right, just to make sure that we balance out our drawing. Work our way across the bottom of the eye, and pull that in. Now from here, I just want to work our way along the side of the muzzle. So just bending this down. Just going to add a little bit of fur texture coming down the side with these short lines. Now from the inside of the eye, I'm just going to add a fold across the brow. Just going to bend that fur going up and out. And we just want to pull this up in the center. I'm just bending the fur going around the eye. Add a little bit more texture along the outside of the brow. And from the bottom of the eye, it's going to bend the fur coming down and out. I'm just going to darken that up. Still the outside of the iris, just tucking this in underneath the eyelid. Add a black dot in the center for the pupils. I'm going to lightly shade the top of the eyes and then fade that down towards the glare. Blend this fur coming down on the top of the muzzle. come all the way down towards the bottom and add some shape to the nose. Starting in the middle, going across towards the nostrils, add some shape to the nostril, darken up the top, and then blend that down. Work our way across the outside of the nose. I'm just going to darken up the bottom of the nose and then fade that up about halfway. And then from the top of the nose, just going to bend the fur going up and then out. Now we're just going to separate the bottom edge of the mouth with some fur going out towards the side. Going across the bottom of the chin. And then along the bottom of the jaw, it's going to add this thick fur going up. I'm just going to darken up the bottom edge. I'm just going to bend this up and in, just aiming towards the top of the brow. And I'm just going to fade that out towards the side. Across the base of the ear, just going to add some more fur. Bend the fur coming down along the side. And we want to enhance that fur texture going around the side of the muzzle, going out towards the cheeks. And you want to go a little bit darker across the bottom. Now I'm going to switch to a 2mm pencil and start adding some shadows and more texture. So along the bottom of the head, we're going to cast a shadow. We're going to use these short lines to sort of mimic the fur. Going across the bottom We want to darken this up just to help silhouette the face. And as we go out towards the side, we're just going to fade that out. I'm just going to go back to blend in some of this fur. And soften up some of the textures. Now, as we get near the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows and textures, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a grizzly bear. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.